In this video, I'm going to share with you one secret trick to earn more money with Amazon KDP book publishing. But before that, hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing absolutely well and welcome to my YouTube channel, Passive Income Journey. You know what? I have started my journey to create passive income. Yes, passive income, and I'm going to document my journey on this YouTube channel. So in case if you are interested to know more about it, kindly make sure that you hit that subscribe button right out there and hit that bell notification. Alright, so if you are publishing the books on Amazon KDP, then you must be knowing that publishing the book on Amazon KDP is basically a three-step process: paperback details, paperback content, and paperback rights and pricing. So in the first step, that is paperback details, basically you'll be providing the details about books such as title, subtitle, description, author, 7 keywords, and so on. Then comes the second step, that is paperback content, and in paperback content you'll be uploading the content of your paperback book, and also you'll be uploading the book cover and few other details. And after that comes the paperback rights and pricing, and the secret trick that I'm going to talk about for earning more money from KDP is something to do with this third stage, paperback rights and pricing. Okay, so here is the section pricing, royalty and distribution. So for Amazon.com, you'll be providing the list price of your book. So that is basically, you say that this is the price of your book for Amazon.com. So once you enter the price over here, it will automatically calculate the royalty of your book. And here you can see that $2.04 is the royalty that you'll be earning once this particular book is sold on the price of $6.99 on Amazon.com. Now, along with that, KDP also interestingly do few more stuff automatically for us. It also auto-populates the price for your book, considering Amazon.com as the primary market, and based on that it derives the price for rest of the other markets. For example, for Amazon.co.uk it is 5.03 GBP and so on. So the trick that I'm going to talk about is something to do with this pricing thing. Okay, we will understand this for Amazon France market. So for example, if you kept the book price as $6.99 for Amazon.com, then KDP will auto calculate the book price for France market as €5.89, and with that you'll be earning €1.63 royalty for each book. And if we take a look at the euro to USD converter, then €1 equals to $1.19. This is at the time of recording this video. And now with €1.63, you'll be actually earning the royalty of $1.93. Now here is a secret trick. So for Amazon.fr, instead of using the auto-populated €5.89 price, what you have to do is keep the price as €5.99, so royalty would come as €1.69. Now again with the converter euro to USD, €1 equals to 1.19 USD. So that means with €1.69, you'll be earning the royalty of 2.01 USD. Now here's a simple calculation: 2.01 USD minus 1.93 USD equals to 0.08 USD. That is something that is the increase in your royalty per each book sale once you just updated the price to 5.99. Now let's take a look at it. If you have one book which is selling 100 copies, then 100 into 0.08 equals to 8 USD. That would be something that you'll be earning more. Okay, now just consider a scenario: you have 10 books and each of them is selling 100 copies, then 10 into 100 into 0.08 equals to 80 USD is something that you'll be earning more. And just imagine if you have 1,000 books, so the amount will come to $800. So with this simple trick, you can actually increase your earning with Amazon KDP book publishing. Okay, so on this channel you'll find interesting videos about making money with Amazon KDP, and I hope you like those. And thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.